So why does it not make the most financial sense to charge your EV from solar? Well, the answer is to do with tariffs. And I'm not talking about Donald Trump's favourite word. I'm talking about electricity tariffs. When you get solar or when you get an electric vehicle, it's very prudent to do some research on what the best electricity tariff is to work with the various technologies that you have at your home. Now, what you'll find is that if you have an EV that you're using semi-regularly, the EV trumps all. You want to pick a tariff that is suited to charging that EV as cheaply as possible. So you're going to pick a tariff like Intelligent Octopus Go or E.ON Next Drive. At the time of filming this video, these tariffs allow you to charge your electric car overnight for about 7 pence per unit. Now, these tariffs work very well with solar and battery systems as well, because not only do they allow you to charge the battery cheaply overnight, but they also offer incredibly favourable export rates. If you're on Intelligent Octopus Go for your EV, you pay 7 pence overnight and can also sign up to the outgoing Octopus export tariff, which will allow you to export solar for 15 pence per kilowatt hour. If you're on E.ON Next Drive, you pay 7.5 pence overnight and can sign up to the E.ON Next export tariff and export solar for 16.5 pence per kilowatt hour. So you have three options for how you charge your electric car. You can charge it from the peak rate of electricity during the day for about 28.5 pence per kilowatt hour, or you can charge it off peak at night for about 7.5 pence per kilowatt hour, or you can charge it from solar for free. 0 pence per kilowatt hour. Now, obviously, you're not going to charge it during the peak rate window of your electricity tariff if you can help it, because that's insanely expensive, although still not as expensive as petrol. So you can then charge it overnight for 7.5 pence per kilowatt hour, or charge it for free from solar. What you're going to do is you're going to charge the car overnight for 7.5 pence per kilowatt hour, and then export your excess solar generation back to the grid for 16.5 pence on the E.ON tariff. If you choose to charge the car from solar, then you're saving the 7.5 pence per unit that you would otherwise be spending overnight. But if you decide to send the solar back to the grid and then charge the car overnight for 7.5 pence, you're profiting 16.5 pence minus 7.5 pence, which is 9 pence per kilowatt hour. So you're better off to send the electricity back to the grid and then buy it back overnight instead of just using the solar to charge the car.